Welcome to WTMCARS YouTube channel. WTMCARS. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Toyota Tacoma. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma is tougher, more powerful, and smarter than ever, earning its nickname, the Rage Monster. With a bold design, advanced tech, and unbeatable off-road capabilities, this truck is built to take on any challenge. Exterior, bold and built for action. Massive grille, a sharp, aggressive front grille with Toyota branding and LED headlights stands out. Powerful stance, wider fenders, bold lines, and higher ground clearance give it a commanding presence. Off-road ready. Features like skid plates, tow hooks, and optional rock sliders make it adventure ready. Eye-catching colors. New shades like Inferno Orange, Stealth Black, and Rage Red emphasize its wild spirit. Performance, power and capability. Engines. 3.5L twin-turbo V6. Delivers 400 horsepower and 450 lb-ft of torque. Hybrid Max powertrain. Combines a V6 engine with electric motors for 450 horsepower and efficiency. Transmissions. Choose between a 10-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual for full control. Towing strength. Can tow up to 8,500 pounds with ease. TRD Pro package. Includes Fox suspension, locking rear differential, and all-terrain tires for extreme off-roading. Off-road features. Terrain modes. Options like mud, sand, rock, and snow adjust the truck's performance for any condition. Crawl control. Automatically handles throttle and brakes for smooth off-road navigation. Ground clearance. Best-in-class 11 inches to clear tough obstacles. Trail cameras. 360-degree cameras make navigating tricky paths simple. Interior. Comfort meets adventure. Driver-focused design. A 14-inch touchscreen and digital gauge cluster put controls within reach. Premium materials. Durable yet stylish finishes, including leather, suede, and carbon fiber. Comfort features. Heated/ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof. Tech-ready. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a JBL sound system for entertainment on the go. Smart technology and safety. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance. Off-road tech. Hill start assist, downhill assist, and tire pressure monitoring for rough terrains. Convenience. Over-the-air updates, remote start, and smartphone integration add modern convenience. Eco-friendly hybrid option. Fuel efficiency. The hybrid model offers up to 30 miles per gallon, combining power with sustainability. Pricing and availability. Starting price, $38,000, with higher trims like TRD Pro and Hybrid Max exceeding $55,000. Release date, available worldwide by mid-2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma is the ultimate mix of toughness, power, and intelligence. Whether you're cruising the city, towing big loads, or conquering rugged trails, this truck is ready to take on anything.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.